Welcome to a new episode of Geo Voices. I'm your host, Ricardo Valls, a senior geologist with over 39 years of experience in the mining industry. Today, we're diving into the economics of rocks, making money with economic geology in 2024. Get ready to strike it rich in 2024 by harnessing the power of economic geology with rocks. Did you know that certain rocks can be worth more than their weight in gold? It's true. As a professional geologist, I've seen firsthand how the right mineral deposit can turn a barren piece of land into a gold mine, sometimes literally. Economic geology is the study of rocks and minerals for economic purposes. It's like being a treasure hunter, but instead of maps with X marks the spot, we use advanced geological techniques and a keen understanding of Earth's processes. Now, finding valuable rocks and minerals in the vast expanse of the Earth's crust is no simple task. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack, but the rewards can be immense. Trust me, I've spent countless hours mapping, sampling, and drilling in some of the most remote corners of the world. Sometimes you strike out, but when you hit pay dirt, it's all worth it. In 2024, exploration and development continue to play crucial roles in economic geology. We're not just looking for gold and diamonds anymore. Rare earth elements, critical for technologies driving the green economy, are becoming increasingly important. As the world transitions to cleaner energy sources, the demand for these minerals is skyrocketing. So what makes certain rocks more valuable than others? It's a combination of factors. 1. Rarity. The scarcer a mineral, the more valuable it tends to be. 2. Demand. Market forces play a huge role. What's hot today might be cold tomorrow. 3. Accessibility. Sometimes it's not about what you find, but where you find it. Imagine stumbling upon a rare mineral deposit that's in high demand and easily accessible. That's the geological equivalent of winning the lottery. But here's the thing. Economic geology isn't just about finding shiny rocks. It's about understanding the Earth's processes, interpreting complex data, and making informed decisions. It's a field where science meets business, and the potential for making money is as vast as the Earth itself. As we wrap up, I encourage you to explore more about economic geology. The mining industry is evolving rapidly, with new technologies and approaches emerging all the time. Who knows? The next big mineral discovery could be right under your feet. Before we go, I'd love to hear from you. What rocks or minerals would you like to learn more about in future episodes? Drop your ideas in the comments below. And remember, in the world of economic geology, fortune favors the bold and the well-informed. This is Ricardo Valls signing off from Geo Voices. Until next time, keep your eyes on the ground and your mind on the markets. Happy prospecting.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.